Glad to be back here. Good afternoon, everyone. Well, I'm Eduardo Andrade. It's a real pleasure to be here today. And on this very day, 11 years ago, on the 2nd of June of 2014, I have joined this company. Coming from sunny Portugal, from Lisbon, to the beautiful UK. I joined the company as a software engineer back in the day, very excited to help shape Spock's future. And over the years, my role evolved, and once our founder, Clive, retired, I had the pleasure to take over the business, which is now our family business. Today, I'm proud to lead a team that's focused on innovation, service, and delivering real value to the packaging industry. I'm sure most of you already know our system. This is a picture of our software in 1993, and I'm pretty sure there's people in this room that use that version, so thank you very much for your loyalty. So, where? Wrong button. What's cooking at KMSS? That's all we're talking about today, the future of our product. We are always evolving. We have been very busy pushing the boundaries of what is possible with real-time data and smart decision-making. AI, BI, mobile, PLC, all these acronyms, they are not just only acronyms, but they're shaping the future of our platform and what we do, what we can do. And starting with AI, which is what everybody talks about today. Spock's AI is coming later this year and will be a real game changer. Our clients will be able to talk to their data, to communicate with an LLM, just for the benefit of who's not into AI, as LLM is a large language model. You will be able to use your own local LLM if you want to, if you don't want your data in the internet. You can have your own AI server with a local AI, whichever AI you want to use, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Claude, anyone, because all you need is an API with access to AI, and what Spox will do is making sure it communicates with that language model, sends the necessary data, and gets your response. You will have unlimited possibilities. You can ask AI, instead of doing a spreadsheet and trying to analyze and create a chart, you can say, create me a chart and show me my best 20 customers during this period, or my best-selling products, or calculate the strength of that box. Another big thing that is coming is mobile apps. We already have some applications on the web. We have the board grade calculator, we have our dashboard that run on web browsers. We are bringing all of this to your phone, to Android and iPhone apps. So you can have, for example, the SPA dashboard. Instead of having to open on a tablet, you can just use your phone and see your key metrics, configure your key metrics. Machine breakdown alerts, everything that production wants to know, because as you'll see later, we'll be able to connect your machines. Production manager can receive a message on their phone to say that the machine has stopped, or that that job that was meant to start running at 10 a.m. didn't start yet. Some of you know our PS2 application. It's our warehousing application. It's already running on Windows platform on a tablet with mobile scanners. And it's basically an application that helps you run from vehicle loading, stock take, makes the work in the warehouse extremely fast. We heard of clients doing 3,000 pallet stock take in a day. And actually the most time they used was to move the pallets out of the way to reach the labels. This new version, what it will bring is it will use mobile scanners instead of a tablet. And those mobile scanners will have to be able to have, for example, an offline database. That came out of a requirement from some clients that, for example, will move pallets not necessarily using a forklift, so they can't have a tablet attached to the forklift. And other clients will have a warehouse that has no internet connection. And therefore, with the current model, they couldn't use it. So the application can work offline. It can work with very low data. If you lose connection, it saves the data into the device. And as soon as there is a connection, or if it's running on a phone, for example, you can just use your 4G communication instead of your network and transfer the data via the cloud. Another great project we're working on is automatic shop floor data collection. This project has been running for a while, and our major problem was we had to install sensors into the machines. Machines that already have sensors. And it didn't seem to make a lot of sense to send an engineer to put an extra sensor into something that has a PLC, the machine knows exactly the speed it's running, knows it stopped, why it stopped. So we partnered with Verma, UK and Germany, which many of you should probably know. And we will connect direct to the machine PLC. The data goes in the cloud and then goes straight into Spox. And you will have all control within Spox on when a job has started, when a job has stopped. Right now, we already offer shop floor data collection. But your operator tells Spox that they started running a job, and also tells that they lost 10 minutes due to a breakdown. With this connection, Spox will ask your operator, you have stopped for 10 minutes, I just need to know the reason. Or if the PLC is sending that information as a breakdown, it doesn't need to give the reason because it knows exactly what it is. And you have much better speed measurements and everything directly from the machine. Again, feeding back to the Android app, so you can just be on holiday and just being able to know, oh, the plant is running well. I don't need to do anything, I can enjoy my time. Another important bit of work we do is migrating from legacy systems. One of the biggest challenges when you move from one system to another is, I have to create all my data again. I will lose all the history of what I've done, and I need to start over. Or I need to run two systems, which doesn't make a lot of sense. We partnered with Progress Open Edge, which is used by some of the applications that are currently unsupported in the market. We hired Open Edge specialists, so we now fully understand those applications. We can bring them, that data, to Spox, make the conversion, making it very simple for a plant who wants to upgrade to a fully support system, and a great system, if I can say so myself. It will be far easier just simply within a couple of months prepare that whole data and have having Spox with all your history attached to that. Not only for the Progress Open Edge applications, but for some other applications that currently exist in the market. We are doing the exact same thing. We have converters for a number of applications, and talk to us later about it. And who we are here for you. At the heart of our company is our team. We are friendly, we are responsive, we are committed. So this is our management team, and plus our group of software engineers and support and technical support, which is ever growing, because we are expanding globally, so we felt the need to have support teams that go in other countries as well. Well, thank you for having us here, and on a personal note, we just got married. Thank you.